Get excited about the 2010 Ford F-150. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a split folding rear seat, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.